All right, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This channel is an educational channel, and we check out great theories, concepts, and discoveries that you might not be familiar with, but things that would really benefit you if you did know about them. They have been marginalized. Powers that be don't want you to know about things like this, things that can help you with your spiritual, mental, and physical health. And this is a segment that we have that is called Your Blind Side. And this is an attempt to have the back of some of the great diggers and anons and truthers out there that may be too involved in their rabbit holes to kind of come out and see what's going on, um, you know, um, out of the um, hole. And so I'm trying to warn them of things that are coming down the pipe. And yeah, so uh, this is really a dead period. There doesn't seem to be much going on um, just right now. Um, you know, uh, a big story is that you know Trump talks about how he has been president 3 times, or is he just talking about how he won 3 elections? And that's getting people all worked up as to whether the level of devolution or the level of fakery that was going on with the Biden administration, and a lot of just distractions like that. And, I feel like in general, what we're dealing with is um, uh, a lot of nonsense in terms of, what really needs to happen here. And um, people are beating around the bush, dancing around the issues. And the issues to me are um, you know, in general, a lack of progress. Um, this community isn't really learning. Um, there's so many kind of people with mixed motives, and I understand that you have to make a living. Um, but it just seems like um, a lot of people are trying to do a lot more than that. And a lot of people are trying to everything that they can to avoid um, questioning their beliefs and their values and their upbringing, and they just want to make it us versus them and demean or degrade or um, uh, call the other side idiots and how they're so stupid. And none of this is really going to, uh, you know, ultimately lead to any type of success. Um, the only success that is gonna be had, and I'm very optimistic. I believe that we actually have won, that the info war has been won, and that the deep state globalists are on the way down, if not already down. And we're in mop-up stage or um, reenactment stage, and that this is a great time for that. But and I might seem like a broken record here if anybody's actually watching my videos on a repeating basis, but um, you know that moves it to the stage of implementation. You know, okay, if you win, that means you're in control. And so you have now an agenda that you have to implement worldwide or nationwide or whatever. And if your agenda is totally infected or infested with um, still deep state propaganda and stuff that is because you just have to remember that these people, this deep state globalist contingent, they've been in control on this planet since day one. This is going back all the way to uh, how many ever thousands of years ago. And so everything that they instituted for us is still in our conditionings, in our belief systems, in our values, in our rituals, in our holidays, in our um, conceptions of health and wealth. And so, if we don't scrutinize those things and purge those things, they're just going to carry over to the next, to the time where when we have the ability to implement something. And so that's ultimately a failure. That's that's not going to work. And um, you know, uh, the only way that uh, we will actually get anything uh, organic and human into the mix is if we, recognize that red pilling is a continual process, awakening is a continual process, and that there are levels of awakening, layers of awakening, and we've only gone through the first one or two layers, and there are many more layers that need to be taken into account, and those things that needs to be done before any implementation phase has has gotten started. Um, and I don't feel like it has to be like done. It has to be started at least. We have to have that awareness that this is existing because as it is, um, you guys really it seems like you want to move forward with Christianity as the focal point here, um, and along with maybe some type of patriotism, Western values. None of this stuff is stands up to scrutiny. Um, in fact, it all collapses like a house of cards when placed under scrutiny. um, you know, I'm not suggesting that we move forward on some other type of values, like indigenous values or some other religion or some other philosophy, but they all are infested with this type of um, deep state residual um, influence. And so we need to figure out the best way to move forward. I've suggested deism, the belief in one God who is good, who will has given humans the abilities, reason, and other higher spiritual mental faculties, inspiration and curiosity and wonderment and beauty, aesthetics, aesthetics, and um, conscience, and these are all empathy. These are all things that we can use in order to understand God more directly, or absolutely directly, through nature and the um, understanding the laws of religion. I mean, I'm sorry, the laws of geometry and math and physics. And this is a common denominator that we can move forward and grow from. These other things, you know, um, are not legitimate. They are uh, psyops, just like everything else has been psyops. It's turtles all the way down, so to speak. It doesn't matter how many rug pulls there have been. It's one rug pull after another until you come up with something that you have kind of created yourself. And then you move forward on that and you improvise upon that. You have to remain light on your feet and adjust for what's needed. And I think that there's going to be a great tolerance for um, improvisation and making mistakes, but trying to correct them. you know, uh, we know that this is not going to be an easy process, but we can't just make it artificially easy by resting on our laurels. And that's just what I see in this patriot movement, is that these people are willing to just kind of rest on their laurels and not challenge themselves, even in a situation that's this crucial. And so it's very disappointing. Um, and I just hope that somebody out there who has some influence, um, you know, takes what I say seriously, or you know, uncovers it for themselves and understands that you know this is this is like for keeps, and we can't just go forward with this feel good. Oh yeah, I grew up with this, and so it's good. And oh well, it just so happens that I grew up in this particular society and I adopted everything from from this particular society, and it's all right. No, that's not how it goes. You have to check into everything, and that hasn't been done, and that's why this movement is going to fail. um, and it's going to be a disaster, uh, just as bad as what we already have, unless, and there's still time, um, we kind of redeploy ourselves and get ourselves plugged into what we really need to do, which is, you know, fix ourselves, and before we're ready to move forward with implementing anything for anybody else. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and we will return next time. Thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day, and remember to watch your blind side.